Master Trader reveals his amazing secret indicator that could have anyone profitable within minutes, even a complete beginner. If you want to trade Forex and be profitable today, not next week or next month or after watching a gazillion hours of video, then you are in exactly the right place. Today I'm going to share with you what could be the most powerful money-making indicator ever developed from the most respected master trader of the last decade. Hi, my name is David Ross, and I am looking for an elite group of people who would like to be the most successful and highest paid people in the trading world. And I am going to reveal how I am going to help those people do that in this short but very powerful video. So if you want to drastically change your financial position in the fastest time possible, please pay careful attention. We can literally have you making the best trades of your life within minutes. It's no coincidence that you are here today. If you want to immediately take a giant leap forward in your ability to generate large amounts of wealth in the shortest possible time with the easiest possible solution, then you are absolutely 100% in the right place. Here's the thing. If you are listening to this video, then you are either someone who has tried trading before or are currently trading now. If you fall into either of those categories, then you are probably losing money. The only other category is someone who has never traded or is just starting to trade. If that's the case, then I urge you to stop what you are doing and give this your full attention, because this is the most important video you will ever watch. Here's why. Some of the highest paid people on earth are traders, especially Forex traders. There's simply no other profession where an ordinary individual can make such phenomenal amounts of money within minutes. The problem is that people who make all the money don't normally share their secrets, and if they do, they charge a fortune for it. This leaves most of us mere mortals struggling to find good quality, reliable information. Let's face it, if it's free online, then it's probably worthless. Or you end up with a bunch of people who can't make any money trading, swapping information with other people who can't make any money trading. So what's the alternative? Well, you could spend the next year researching and testing ideas. You could watch countless hours of video and read thousands of pages of manuals. But who has the time these days? I am going to show you a much faster way you could achieve the big money results professional traders make, but in minutes, not years. What you can get here today for a limited time is our breakthrough, never before seen most profitable way to trade Forex ever invented. Remember, this indicator is incapable of making a mistake. It's not a human being. It's so reliable you will almost feel guilty about using it. It will give you such an unfair advantage your first instinct is going to be to keep it for yourself. Take a look at this image. If you can tell the difference between red and blue on this chart, then I can have you trading Forex in under 5 minutes. We have done so much research and development on this that all you do is follow a few simple instructions on how to add this to your charts and you're done. You do not need to watch hours of video. You do not need to read a 100-page manual. You do not need to block out hours of time to study. Just sit down, follow the simple installation instructions, and you're good to go. You could be making money faster than the time it took you to watch this video. If you are new to trading or just about to start trading, don't worry. We've got you covered. We can still have you trading faster than you ever thought possible. We have designed super fast training that can still have you up and running the same day. That's our whole objective, to get people trading profitably fast. How fast do you want to make money? Profit, $2,454.15 minutes. Profit, $3,087.15 minutes. Profit, $3,740 in 30 minutes. Profit, $2,610 in 17 minutes. The real secret of the Forex Profit Boost indicator is that it constantly finds trades with the highest possible chance of making a profit with the lowest possible risk, some in as little as 15 minutes after it was installed. No one had to read a book or spend days studying to achieve those results. They simply plugged in the indicator and followed the signals. There's not much else for you to do, actually. How smart you are, even how much money you have or don't have, has no influence on the Forex Profit Boost. It doesn't even matter what experience level you have. The indicator just does its job regardless. This levels the playing field. If you have ever wanted to truly improve your financial well-being now and in the future, then this could be the answer. You can trade from anywhere you have an internet connection. In fact, you can trade from anywhere in the world 24 hours a day. I am not suggesting that you give up your day job just yet, but there is no other option in the world that has this kind of freedom. And that freedom doesn't need to be years away. It can start right now, today. What I am saying is that if you have an interest in trading, then the Forex Profit Boost will dramatically increase your odds of making money. It's astonishingly effective at finding the right trade. Real wealth is knowing that you have secured your financial future. It's important that you know how this incredible profit-generating indicator came about. You see, we run one of the biggest independent trading competitions in the world. Over 2,000 traders take part in our competition at least 5 times a year. That means we get to see over 10,000 ways to trade Forex each year. Now consider the fact that we have been running this competition since 2005, and you start to understand just how many ways to trade we have seen over the last few years. This is the part that will blow your mind. People don't want to study anymore. No one has the time or energy. So we decided that in order to help people get into trading and making money as fast as humanly possible, we would test all the indicators we have seen over the years and just pick one that we could give to anyone and have them trading and profitable within minutes. I hired the most brilliant mind in programming to test thousands upon thousands of permutation of the indicators we had and the best way to use them. In man hours, it was the equivalent of 143,799 hours. That's like 16 years if you never slept or did anything else in your life. The results of all those tests is Forex Profit Boost. This is what makes Forex Profit Boost a game changer. It can have you trading within minutes of you getting set up. The hard work has all been done. There's nothing for you to do but follow the indicator. It has the highest probability of any indicator with an 89.68% win rate. There's no learning curve, complicated math, or anything else to learn. You have full support for any question you may have. Telephone, Skype, and email details are all in the download area. This is what users of Forex Profit Boost have to say. You know, let me tell you this from the bottom of my heart. I'm so excited to have this product from you. This is so awesome, it's unbelievable. I never see profits like these, even though my deal size is small between 0.1 and 0.2. I can tell you that my account is growing. I now make about 110 plus pips a day. Really, I want to thank you. I'm so grateful and thankful to you and the whole team. I did as you said and loaded 8 trades yesterday on 1 hour and 4 hour, some aggressive and some conservative entries. I won all 8 trades, 5 hitting target and 3 closed manually. Man, I like this method. Thanks a mil. Got in a nice left hook to the body on a blue signal on GBP USD. In less than an hour, got 10 pips that I had to set as my take profit. There was 22 pips earlier on Euro, so that's 32 pips for the day. Live account equals real money. I could fill a book with the great feedback we have had from the small group of people we have shared this with so far. I also personally believe that every person who shows enough initiative to look at the answer to building wealth deserves to be rich. Here's the deal. We could easily charge $500 for this indicator if we really wanted to, and at that price, it would be a bargain. But our objective is to get this into the hands of as many people as we possibly can for a limited time. So we thought $97 would be a fair price, considering you could make it back in the first trade, but even that might stop a few people from getting started. We then considered $47 to make it affordable to almost everyone. We reasoned that if you can't afford $47, then you probably shouldn't be trading anyway. But remember, our objective is to get this into the hands of as many people as possible in the shortest period of time. So we even thought about giving it away for free. But we know from past experiences that all you get is a bunch of people who download stuff and never use it. So we didn't want that either. In the end, we came up with a price so ridiculous that it would be a no-brainer for anyone even remotely interested in trading Forex, but just enough to keep the freebie seekers away. Just before I tell you the price, I'm going to add in a little bonus. With every copy of the Forex Profit Boost indicator, I'm going to include my one-page cheat sheet. Just one glance at the summary of the rules will tell you immediately if you are making the right trade. Okay, here's the price. Not $500, not $100, not $47. Just $7. Can you imagine yourself making a lot of money real fast? If you can, then hit the Add to Cart button below before you miss out on this incredible wealth-building indicator. Warning, there's just one thing. If you have been following us on Facebook or our blog or maybe even our newsletter, you will know that we don't release many indicators like this. If we start to get too bogged down with support questions, or if we can see that so many people are using this that it begins to affect the market, then we will pull the indicators straight away without warning. You must also agree not to share this proprietary indicator with anyone else. Take action right now. 100% no questions asked guarantee you risk nothing. Look, I know this is only going to cost you the price of a cup of coffee and donut, even though its real value is well over $500. But I want you to be 100% confident that you are not making a mistake. If for any reason you are unhappy with the Forex profit boost, then you can have a 100% refund with no questions asked. You don't need to explain why, and you don't need to worry about me feeling bad. I am totally confident that you will be happy. But just in case you're not, you have a full 60 days to decide if this is what I say it is. I believe this is the one thing that can dramatically improve your trading almost instantly. It will give you an unfair advantage when you trade, and your results could start improving from today. It's fast, easy, and profitable. Click the Add to Cart button now. There will be people who take action right now, and in 10 minutes from now, their trading results will be changed forever. Those same people could be making thousands of dollars starting today. Why can't that be you? Thanks for listening. We will be there to support you in the download area if you need any help.